Okay, in this video right here, we're going to go over how to edit your profile. Um, so let's click, let's click your profile right here and go down to preferences. Now you can also get to that by going to this, clicking this icon right here. And we're going to go to edit profile. So as you can see here is your username from when you signed up. And this is where you can choose a new password. And you can click change password, force password change if you need to, but there's no need to if you're going to go ahead and manually put your password in right here. This is the first and last name and email address that you used during your sign up. And once again, I don't know if I just said this, but this is your username whenever you signed up as well. This is where you will put your city and town. Not sure why mine says New York, but do that. This is where you'll put your server time zone. This is where you'll write a description about yourself if you want to. So let's click this right here. So I would actually say not to do this because you'll have total control over your profile page, which is going to be your landing page, your website landing page. So I would say not to do this. Leave this like it is. And right here is where you can upload your profile picture. Profile picture should be around 300 by 300 pixels, and it'll show up like this. If it's too big, this picture will actually be sideways. So that's how you'll know if the picture's too big, it'll be sideways. So additional names, if you need to put it where it's phonetic, interest, you can put in interest here. None of these fields, I never have used them, but the optional ID, not sure why it says cheese in there, but this is a test account. So, but the one thing you do want to look at is other fields, and you'll see your instructor ID is populated in here. Now, if you remember in the previous video where I said whenever you hovered over your user ID or your user profile picture and it populated the link down here. So this is what you'll need. So this is going to be one more thing for you to add to your text file that you're creating for your notes. So I'll cancel out of this. So the only big thing you did really is made sure that you added a profile picture, or you can add your business picture, whichever one, and it'll appear up here. Now, let me take you to the profile real quick. So this is a profile page. This one is my profile page. It's a demo. It's already been filled out. And I'll show you how to add all these blocks and all that, where it shows your courses and all that. But the main thing that you want to get, where I'm going to tell you to take note, you want to go to your preferences. You want to right click on this picture and you want to copy link address. And then you want to paste that into your text file. So this is how you will be able to get to your profile page. So my suggestion is if you're using Chrome as your primary browser, then open up, and we'll do this together. So I'll copy my link address, and now I'm going to open up a different browser, so like Edge or Firefox or anything else. That way you can make edits to your profile page and check them in real time. So this is what my profile page looks like to a guest. So as you can see now, this is what a guest would see whenever they come and look at my profile. So you need to make sure you got that ID, and trust me, you'll want to have that where you can grab it because you'll be using it often. Initially when you're setting up your profile page and things like that. So now I can see it right here in this browser, and I can edit it. I go back here in this browser. And the way, just real quickly, how you edit it is to turn edit mode on. And like I said in the previous video, when your edit mode on, now you can add blocks. So that concludes how to set up your profile. Mainly, once again, is that you added your profile picture. And a note, whenever you very first set up your profile picture, it will display here. It will take a little time for it to cache and display here. So if you don't see it pop up here immediately, do not worry about it. It will pop up eventually. There's a couple things that happen in the background and a couple things that have to run, but it will eventually appear. Probably if you log in and back, log out and back in, it may appear, but generally within 24 hours, it'll appear here. So no need to worry if it doesn't appear. It will appear. So I think that is all. Yeah, that's it. So I will see you guys in the next video.